Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. This is Hedgen Lee with a evening update for Bitcoin. And the daily action has been doing a bit of a dip, as you can see. This dip is not a crash. I see again top callers crawling out of the woodworks, trying to call the tops, but they never get tired of trying to call the tops. Even though each time, unfortunately, they get it wrong. I think this is a very healthy, very three-wave-ish, ABC-ish type of correction. And I think this ABC could have maybe one more little dip lower. But then again, the shape also has a bit of a wedge look to it. Also, look how near oversold this is on the MACD scale. Remember the moving average converging divergence. So I believe this should soon crawl up, curl back up. So yes, so this will be something to keep an eye on. It could be the indicator that would curl back up as the price comes out of this descending symmetrical triangle, which usually has a bullish implication of higher highs. I mean, look at all these triangles. When in doubt, cryptos love the triangle pattern. Big one here, another one here. And it also loves flags. Flag here that we saw earlier, a little tiny one here. So the first thing that you should do when you do your chart analysis is to draw lines and identify patterns, as many patterns as possible. Just like here. When in doubt, it's a triangle. If it's not a triangle, most likely it's a bull flag. Look at these other triangles all over the place. So Bitcoin uses triangles as consolidation stages to regroup. When it cannot have enough mojo to go vertical, it has to take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. 1 step forward, half a step back. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. That's the way it has to do it. Now, let's keep an eye on this MACD right here. I think this will curl up like this, as I had indicated this morning also. So from a trajectory point of view, before I do that, I want to point out a small thing here. If I zoom into this, one pattern that I can identify here is a head and shoulders. The minimum travel on this will be here. So if I redraw the line of the descending wedge, it's a good match. That looks pretty cool. So this is again the confluence of chart patterns coming in together with Elliott waves. If I further do a higher resolution at 30 minutes, let's see how this wedge looks. So let's see, overnight price action could meander a little bit. But I think the bottom of this apex and the minimum travel of the head and shoulders coincides for now. And this here, the white line would mark the $23,000 target or thereabouts. Okay, that's what I have for tonight. Let's see how the overnight price action goes. I also want to say that a whole bunch of people have sent me messages saying how much profit that they have recently made based on the calls that I've made. And I'm getting a good bunch of tips coming in for my beer. Thank you very much. Earlier today, I posted a chart done by a person who's been taking just a couple of coaching sessions and already well into being able to label really good charts. And I think if I can do the same for you, perhaps you might want to consider giving me a shout out for one-on-one coaching with me. You can reach me at my generic email address, hedging_crypto at yahoo.com. I just want to ask one favor. If you want to ask questions or opinions on charts or requests, please put that through the comment section. I scan the comment section, not the email for that. I'll let you keep those separated, please. That'll be really helpful. So anyways, I'll talk to you in the morning. I wish you all massive profits. I'm very grateful for you all who are upvoting because the upvotes truly do give me the visibility that I do seek. For all the people who have profited from the calls I've made, you were able to profit because you were able to get the visibility and find my blogs and read the blogs and the analysis. I'd like to see if I can get a lot more people be able to get the visibility to my blogs and get the same benefits. That just would be awesome. And to do that, upvotes, resteams, and follows would enable the visibility enhancement of my blogs so others just like you could benefit as well. All right, thank you. Have a good night.